Good morning, beautiful people. Anthony here. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. But let me ask you a question. Has AI taken over some of the jobs at your, or some of the positions at your job? Do you feel confident that once your employer starts implementing AI to make their services more efficient, more productive, that you're going to be kept around to keep working your minimum wage job? It's not really adding a lot of value. Don't feel bad. Like, it's gonna happen to everybody. AI is taking over. So many places are getting like, look at fast food, McDonald's, Subways. Most fast food restaurants now got a kiosk. You go in, limited the cashiers they needed, so you order from the kiosk. There's a fast food McDonald's up in North America somewhere. That's all. I mean, there are no employees. Like, that's what's gonna happen, y'all. It's more efficient for the employer. They pay for the services once, and they function 24/7 without extra man hours. They got to put in some maintenance work, which will save them money in the long run, and get services done more proficiently and for other people. But if you're in a service-based industry, do you feel like your job's gonna be around much longer, or do you think AI is gonna take it over? Look at what was it, Amazon and a bunch of other big factory jobs. Factories are getting taken over by machines. People just work the machines now. So you don't have a giant staff of thousands of people at factories no more, no. You got a skeleton crew. I don't know, I don't work in the factory industry, so I can't say from personal experience, but I know what I've read, I know what I heard, but if you feel confident that even with AI taking over and technology advancing, you're going to still be employed to where you're at, hey, congratulations, more power to you. But if you don't, and you like to have a backup so when that time does come, you should look into starting a home-based networking business. That way, while you're still at your job, you can use that money to pay your bills and cover your expenses while you lay the foundation for your home-based business. Because that's going to take about an extra 5 to 10 hours a week laying the foundation for about 6 months. After that, you have a foundation laid, you'll have some residual passive income coming in, you should have a nice little team growing. But even if you don't, you still got your income coming in from your job while you still have a job to support yourself. So you can take your time, you can do it the proper way. You're not rushing people, you're not pressuring people, you just share and grow. Like I said, look at me for instance. I don't have a team. Well, my home-based business don't have a team. My financial or my online wellness company, I got a couple customers, a couple business partners, but they're really not doing nothing. So hey, whatever. But at the end of the day, I have a backup. If something happens to me and I'm not able to work any of the 8 different occupations I do now that earns money, I said I don't have a job. I have 8 different ways I can actively work and make some money if I want to on my schedule, which is a lot nicer than having a job where someone else controls your schedule. That's why you don't need a job to pay your bills. You really don't. You can do side hustles. You can do gigs. Hell, you can deliver cars. You can deliver groceries. You can deliver people. You can do surveys. You can go deliver stuff from Home Depot, CVS's, for roadie. There's all kinds of ways you can make money without having a job. But if you do have a job and you're worried about AI taking over, your best bet is seriously to start building a home-based networking business so you have something to fall back on. Because right now is the best time to be building a home-based networking business because people need the extra money. They don't feel secure in their jobs because of technology. The only issue you might face is trying to get people to understand that it's simply a better way. And you're not trying to get people to go out there and sell for you. You're not recruiting them into a sales job like selling cars or selling insurance. I've been recruited into those, but you're simply sharing with people a way where they can get more out of life by building a home-based networking business, sharing something they're personally benefiting from, and they get compensated for it. So it's a win-win. They get compensated, and they're helping other people. But y'all, Have a wonderful day. Like I said, subscribe to my channel. Visit the link that will be included in the description to learn about the industry that can change your life and help you get more.